You see the Holic Gardens once more. And I got a little surprise mail. So this is a quickie mail call. And let's see what we got. This is from Ruth and Erick over at Off Grid Bound. And I was not expecting it at all. So let's get right into it and see what they sent me. Such sweet people. I was not at all expecting this, so it'll be cool to see. So, oh, I think I'm going to have to start collecting gardening gloves, you guys. Those are cute. And I can keep a pair in the car, so no matter where I am, I can have some ready to roll. Give me a second. As usual, excuse the teeth, but you guys know I have to do what I gotta do. They sent me a little note. Ooh, and a Buggables mosquito repellent ban. And here in Chicago, I'm in Illinois, and it's pretty much the state bird, the mosquito. So I'm glad to get this because they sell out super fast here, so thank you. Let's see what this card says. Simply grateful. Oh, look at how pretty that is. That is beautiful. Thank you. And it says, your thoughtfulness is appreciated. Many blessings for your garden this year. Ruth and Erick, the Off-Grid Homesteading Woman, is Ruth's channel. And Off-Grid Bound is Erick's channel. Thank you guys. That is really sweet. And every card, letter, and note that I'm getting is going into that journal that Alicia made for me. And pretty gardening gloves. Isn't that a pretty pattern? I love these colors because it kind of represents me and Sarah. And sometimes she's in the garden with me, so now I have a spare pair for Camera Girl when she's here to help me with. So that's perfect. Thank you. Don't want anybody to steal that. And they sent me seeds. Oh, look at that. I never heard of this variety. This is Sierra Gold Cantaloupe. And then I have white Lisbon bunching onions, and I love green onion on and in everything. I'm one of those people that at the end of their growth cycle, I'll pull all of them up, take all the roots off, chop them all up, or put them in like a food processor or a blender and pour them in either Ziploc bags or containers, and they go in my freezer, and I use these all winter long for fresh in my foods. Ooh, I've never had this. That is white moonflower, and I believe this only blooms at night. I've never seen it, and I've never had it. And I think these are fragrant. I'm not sure. You guys, if you are pro in flowers, let me know. You guys know I'm still learning flowers. So thank you. That's very cool because there are a lot of nighttime pollinators. So I'm very happy to have this. And my husband is putting together some kind of polytunnel cold frame type of deal for me. And I'm going to make sure that we have some kind of trellis because I know these will need it because they're vining. That I do know. Then tomatillo morada, which is purple tomatillo. So perfect. So, I've never had a tomatillo in my life, although I do have seeds for a couple others, but I didn't have this one. So now that I have it, I'm going to plant the green ones, these, and those yellow ones I have. So thank you. I'll have quite a collection. That's going to be pretty salsa. Yellow, green, and purple. Wow. Yum. Then I got early scarlet globe radish. And in about a week, you guys should see a harvest of the very first ones I planted a couple weeks, 3 or 4 weeks ago. They take about a month to mature. And this weekend, it's time to sow some more. I've literally been sowing them every week so that I'll have radishes to eat every week. And I'm going to be putting them in my salads, in veg roasts. I could use a radish fresh right now because my hubby was sweet enough to take me out for a meal because I had a really rough day at work. And I had a little indigestion. And I told you before, if you're dealing with that and you don't like patent medicines, this is your answer. A slice of this or a whole radish if it's bad will help you. I am a nurse by degree, and I did dialysis for a long time, and Dr. G was one of my patients, and he was a researcher who taught me that. He was one of the researchers that created one of the very prominent antacid medications years ago, and he said that those were extracted from radish. So, just a little bit more information on that for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and you know the SOP. Like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell for me, and we'll see you on the very next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. I want to wish you, of course, happy gardening, but blessings of bountiful gardens to you and yours this gardening season. See you next time.